Welcome Tech Lovers, Ibrar here. Today I am going to give you ultimate AI tools URL which help you to boost in your daily AI related task, and it's completely free. In this video you can find out thousands of powerful AI tools for content creation, video editing, marketing, automation, coding, design and much more. It is good for content creator, freelancer, entrepreneur or business owner. These AI tools can help you to save time, boost your productivity and grow faster. This guide will be quick, clean and ready for use. DevOps in Action channel is dedicated to DevOps and AI in easy way. You always found complexity in simplicity here. Each video guide is available in video's description. Here will be only action as channel name is DevOps in Action. So let's jump to the live without any delay. Okay, so first URL is future tools. So let me open it here. In futuretools.io you can see the name itself says future tools. So here you can find out the all tools which is newly launched, that is listed here, and you can use based on your requirement, right? So let's say I'm looking for free tool, and let's say what is llm.org. Once you click on it and it's redirect on the same URL, right? You can explore any of these tools, right? So similar, there are multiple tools you can either search from here, either you can use a filter based on your filter finance or any other categories, right? So my purpose is to show you the actual tools from where you can find out the multiple tools based on your requirement. The purpose is to show you the tools URL, main tools URL, from where you can find out the all other tools as well, right? This is the future tools. Second one is the Futurepedia. So let me open that one also. Once you open the futurepedia.io, it is asking for the sign in. Yes, you can try it sign in, and after that you can see the popular tool. You can see here ChatGPT, Cloudy, Midjourney, Perplexity, Gemini, Grok and Leonardo AI. And once you see here recently added, in recently added you can see here Molt bot is now popular and it is running. You must see this bot. This is the similar alternative of N10, but not alternative. In N10 we decide the workflow, but here this is the chatbot. This is the do the same task. It can book your calendar, it can read your inbox, and it can do all agentic related things, bot related things, sorry for that, right? So you can find out these links. Let's say I am looking for writing and editing. Once you go for writing and editing, you can see here Grammarly. I know you are aware about these things, but my purpose is to show you the tool name from where you can find out the additional tool which you don't know actually, right? So if you go on the technology and IT, you can see here Windsurf, GitHub Copilot, Cursor, everyone is using. Maybe if you are not using, that is for you, right? Recently added, so you can see here recently added all the tools which is available here. Similar back office, you can use Notion AI, Cody. There are a lot of tools available here based on your requirement, right? The third one is another tool that's name is there is an AI for that, right? Once you open it, you can see it is again asking for signing. No problem, just leave it. And here you can see multiple filter available here. You can use based on this one, right? And this is basically provide you all information which is newly launched, right? So here you can see released 22 hours ago, what it is you can read. Released 7 hours ago, what it is you can read, right? So you can get the newly launched AI or newly launched AI tool from here. The fourth one is toolify.ai. Once you open the toolify.ai, you can find out here most of the tools, right? So once you click here new, so in new you can see which is just launched, but I want to use what most used. So in most used, you can see on the top it's showing the ChatGPT, Gemini. There are a lot of tools. I know you are aware, but this is for beginners who not aware, right? There are a lot of things, there are a lot of tools available here. You can use it based on your filter. Even you can search for, let's say, if you are for video editing, if you are looking for the content writing, then you can search and tool available here. Also you can use browser extension here. There are multiple browser extension available, you can use based on your requirement, right? Filter also available here. So my purpose is to show you the tool name, and there are a lot of things. It is not good to cover all these things in a video, which maybe make it you very bore. So let's avoid this and go on our 5 tools, top 5 tools. The 5th one is the AI top tools. Once you open it, this is too slow as of now during this video recording, but yes, it is again very good, and you can use it. Let's say I'm looking for the writing content. So once you click on here, and you can see the available content writing tools available here. Let's say Jasper, and there are other content writing, creator.ai. so all the related content writing available here, right? So to avoid videos length, I am just going too fast and forward. That's the reason, right? So I think that is enough for this part. If you have any question, ask me in the comment. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead. See you in the next video.